In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Maps while listening to radio in iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to turn this on through settings by going into Maps, opening spoken directions, and enabling the directions on radio option. First, I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If you don't see it on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open and we need to go into apps. So at this point I'm scrolling down the list until I see apps. I'm moving steadily and watching the labels as they pass by. Alright, I see apps, so I'm tapping on apps. Now we're on the apps screen and we need to find maps. So at this point I'm scrolling through the list until I see maps. I'm going slowly so it's easy to spot. Alright, I see maps, so I'm tapping on maps. Now we're inside the map settings page. The next step is to scroll down and tap on spoken directions. So at this point I'm scrolling down within the map settings until I see spoken directions. Okay, I see it, so I'm tapping on spoken directions. Alright, now we're on the spoken directions screen. This is where Apple Maps voice guidance options live. On this page, look for directions on radio and you'll see a toggle switch next to it. So at this point I'm going to turn on directions on radio by tapping the toggle so it switches on and looks active. Once it's on, that's your confirmation it's enabled. There's no save button here, so the change applies immediately. At this point you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and Apple Maps will now have directions on radio turned on.